That's your new thing now, huh? It's fake coughing. Yeah. Fake coughing. He's so cute.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Hi. Oh yeah. Hi. Can you tell us about your day? Oh yeah? Then what happened? Then what happened? Then what happened? Huh? Oh yeah? Here you go. You're so smart. You know how to make it light up, huh, baby? Uh-oh. Here we go.
Sorry to disturb you, but could we have my little brother's coffee back?
Good job. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Make it light up again. Here we go. Pet Jean. Okay? Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, you pet her nice. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. No pulling. You gotta pet her. Yeah. Good girl, Jean. Yeah. No pulling. There we go. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. See? No pulling. No pulling. That's not very nice. You gotta be gentle to Jean. Yeah. See? Gentle. Gentle with Jean. Yeah.
New tourism comes and we, obsessively get for crumbs only. Well, you know what?
Are you excited for the race, Daddy? I can't wait to see who wins the big prize.
Hi. Your first bonfire, little girl.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
It's more of a campfire.
Campfire.
Yeah. Campfire. Sing your Rose. Rose. Panyo. Right behind you. Panyo. Hi, Panyo. He's standing right there looking up at you. Panyo. What do you want, Pops? Panyo. There. Oh, there. He's calling you. She thought I was calling.
They said that they will do that, make like a gagging. So bless you. Okay, there we go. There we go, guacamole face. Hey, Donna Marie. Donna Marie. She's so sorry. Hi, baby. Is this your first time at a restaurant? Huh? Yeah. First time? And she's focused outside. Hi, pretty girl. Are you playing? Are you playing? Yeah. You having fun? You having fun with your toys? Huh? Yeah, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, you are. You like those toys? Yeah. Yeah, you like those toys?